Hey everyone, the technical communication example I want to share with y'all today is the instructions for my own personal eSalon hair color. You've probably seen rows and rows of standard off-the-shelf box colors at Target and CVS, but eSalon uses a made-to-order model, so you can go to their website, tell them a little bit about your hair, what you want in your color, how long you want it to last. You can upload some pictures, and then they send a custom blend just for you. Now, instruction sets are common in technical communication classes, but what I like about the eSalon example is the way it really anticipates the embodied experience and the material conditions of actually using the product. So like many other printed manuals, this little booklet makes really good use of standard design principles. For example, it visually chunks information using these light pink headings to start new sections of instructions. The instructions themselves are written in the imperative mood. They are, very simple and clear. They even include icons to show how to section the hair, for example. And it's got little circular callouts with hot pink text that tell the user how long they need to leave the hair color on to process, which we all know is very important. But what makes these instructions so special is actually just this little sticker that's included with them. At the top, it says sticker up your instructions, and then the sticker itself reads, "Let me hold that." Kind of like it's anthropomorphizing the way an actual person would be there to help you and say, "Let me hold that." And if you've ever colored your own hair by yourself, you know that it's very nice to have an extra hand, especially when you're standing in front of a mirror, looking something like this. It's helpful for the instructions to be hands-free. If you've got gloves on, and hair dye everywhere, and a brush in one hand, you can't really go flip through a manual that looks something like this, or even grab your phone to watch a video and press like pause, play, etc. It just isn't practical. So that's actually why the instructions in this little booklet are organized vertically instead of horizontally, like you might expect in an instruction manual that you're reading from left to right. The little sticker you can attach at the top and put it up on your mirror. And so you can just open it and it will hang downward, which makes it really easy to use at a glance without having to touch it at all. Unfortunately, we can't forget how often instructions fail to consider a diverse range of user experiences, especially for hair and beauty products. And even eSalon, its whole brand ethos is built on claims of a personalized experience and an individualized product. From the way it includes my name on the front of these instructions to this casual kind of personalized message from my colorist, even to the packaging itself, which says, starts off by saying we made this just for you. But parts of the online profile form on their website send another message. They include a lot of questions about users' hair texture and ethnicity on one page, but no matter which ethnicity a user selects, the next screen still shows graphics of thin, light-skinned women with European-looking hair to choose from, which undercuts eSalon's whole promise of personalization. The form and the graphics aren't responsive to what the user selects in the previous questions, and as a result, they don't visually represent the wide range of bodies and hair types of customers who use their products. This kind of exclusion goes beyond the problem of representation, though. It can have potentially devastating consequences in real life, as Modupe, Youssef, and Veena Nambudri Skiopa emphasize in their More Than Memos video. I highly recommend checking it out. You can find a link in the description below.